Have you ever been in a business meeting when someone said, "Let's get the ball rolling," and you weren't sure what they meant? Or maybe you've read an email filled with idioms and wondered, what does this mean? If so, this is for you. Welcome to Learn English with Mandla. So, why is learning business English important? In today's global workplace, strong communication skills are essential for success. Whether you're attending meetings, negotiating deals, writing emails, or networking with colleagues, using the right words and expressions can help you sound more professional, confident, and fluent. And one of the best ways to do that is by mastering business English idioms. Idioms are commonly used in professional settings, and understanding them can help you, 1, communicate naturally with your colleagues and clients, 2, can help you express your ideas clearly and professionally. And it can also help you understand business conversations without confusion, and also to boost your confidence in meetings and presentations. In this lesson, I'll teach you 10 essential business English idioms that you can start using right away. I'll explain their meaning, give real life examples, and show you how to use them in a professional situation. By the end of this video, you should feel more confident in your business English skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more business English lessons. Now, let's get started. So, the first group of idioms, these are idioms for meetings and discussions. So 1, get the ball rolling. This means to start something. Let's get the ball rolling on this project by outlining our main objectives. Second, think outside the box. To think creatively, we need a unique marketing strategy, so let's think outside the box. Third idiom, on the same page. It means to agree or have the same understanding. Before we finalize the deal, let's make sure we are on the same page about the terms. And the fourth idiom in this category, call the shots. This means to make important decisions. The CEO calls the shots when it comes to company policy. Great. So those are 4 idioms in that category. The next one would be idioms for negotiations or for problem solving. So number 5, back to the drawing board. This means to start over due to a failure. The client didn't like our proposal, so we need to go back to the drawing board. The 6th idiom, a win-win situation. This is a situation that benefits everyone. If we agree to their proposal, both companies will benefit. It's a win-win situation. Number 7, bite the bullet. It means to do something difficult or unpleasant. We have to cut costs this quarter, so we need to bite the bullet and reduce expenses. Let's have a look at idioms for the next category. This is for work and productivity. So number 8, hit the ground running. This means to start something with energy and enthusiasm. Our new team member hit the ground running and has already closed 3 deals. Number 9, pull your weight. This means to do your fair share of work. If we all pull our weight, we'll finish the project on time. And the 10th one or last one, learn the ropes. To learn how to do a job or to learn how to do a task. It'll take a few weeks to learn the ropes, but then you'll be more confident in your role. Great. So those are 10 business English idioms that you can use right away. Do tell me, which idiom would you use in a business email? Try making a sentence on the comment section. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to keep practicing. Do share, like, and subscribe. And see you next time for another business English practice session.